So we just checked into our room, and I know you guys wanted to see like different room, I guess, by pricing, those top things. So we checked into, it's actually another Super 8 by Wyndham, but this one is the Sevierville location. And I'm gonna give you a little tour of the room, let you guys kind of see. Now it's a mess because we have not unpacked anything. We're just here for the night. One bed's covered, Gabe's eating at the desk, but I'm gonna show you what we got. And you have one double bed here. Again, overlook that it's covered in our stuff. So a window, an air unit, and then over here is a desk, which Gabe is eating some lunch at. There's a TV, nightstand with a nice mirror, and then there is a closet area right here, and there is a door here. We were talking about how unique this room seemed to be. Then when you walk into the middle, you have another mirror, the sink, bathroom, toilet, tub, shower. There is some like separation here that looks a little, I'm just gonna say discolored. Tub doesn't necessarily look that clean. We are going in here. There is a coffee maker, hair dryer here with the sink area. Then there's another door for this back room, which is like another bedroom. It has the nightstand, the bed, the air unit, the TV. Then it has the microwave, a mini fridge, a couple of drawers. Probably not the best area for a microwave when you have a toddler. And then there is a back door with the windows, which you can go out. And there's a couple of chairs. And then there is like a small river down there behind it. We have a visitor outside here. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. Little raccoon. It looks like cat food maybe somebody's put out there for it.
It's hilarious.
That's pretty awesome. We are at Dollywood. We haven't been vlogging while we're here today. We've just been enjoying the day, but I thought I would get this because we are in the candy shop on the way out, and we haven't vlogged in here before. So I'm just going to give you an idea of what's in here. You have the barrels of candy that you can scoop. There's two different ones of those. And then walls and walls and walls of yumminess. David wanted to come in here and get Gabe some of these. He likes these. Look. Some nerds. Peach nerds and wildberry nerds. Cherry lemonade, watermelon apple. I haven't saw those flavors before.
This one? This one? What's that one?
There's a lot of different Jelly Bellies. Jelly Belly gummy bears. I don't know that I've seen those. There's a lot of different Pez dispensers here.
One. Which one? This one? Pick it.
Gabe's currently trying to pick one. Is Scooby-Doo.
What about Scooby-Doo? That one's a dog. That one? Okay.
David has found some chocolate covered pretzels. We have to pay for it, baby. Chocolate peanuts, gummy peaches. chips. Let's see. Malt balls, peanut brittle, cashew brittle, Goo Goo clusters, some more. There's some taffy. Caramel apples, $6.99 with nuts, $5.99 without. Rock candy, which Gabe and David both love. Licorice. And then they have the cases of chocolates and fudge. I have your potato candy. More pretzels, truffles, fudge. The fudge is buy two, get one free. Oh, they have a sugar-free case. Look at these apples. Gorgeous. The specialty apples are $9.99. No, I'm being good.
Over here, which is probably really hard to see, about an hour and a half before our arrival, that tree was struck by lightning.
So we are back in our room after Dollywood. That was kind of it was a planned trip, but it was for Gabe. He wanted to ride his cars, and I know you guys have seen that tons and tons of times. We did end up getting a few things at the candy shop. David got the pretzels and some brittle. I think it was the peanut brittle. Let me check here. It is the Island brittle. It's peanuts and coconut. And he said it wasn't that good, and that makes sense now because he doesn't care for coconut. So I wonder if he realizes that that's what he got. He ran across the street to get him some Taco Bell, so he'll be back and I'll ask him. The pretzels are yogurt, not white chocolate. Also, don't know if he realized that. But we did get a peanut butter fudge. That's David's. We got a cookies and cream fudge. That is also David's. I did see this sea salt and caramel, and I wanted to see what it was like. David has ate half of it, so I haven't even tasted it. I told him he could just have it, but he insisted that I do try it because it has actual, sorry if this gets loud, I've got this wrapper beside the microphone. Okay, so this is why he said I had to try it. It actually has caramel in there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I'm gonna try one bite. That's all I'm gonna have, one bite. That's not gonna put me over my calories. So highly recommend that you get that. If you are not, sorry, I can't stop. If you are not counting calories like I am, or a diabetic, because that would probably put you in a coma, I highly recommend that you go to the candy shop and get that salted caramel fudge. That is probably the best fudge I've ever had. Gabe wants me. He picked Scooby-Doo finally on the bed. So I'm going to open these and we're going to call it a night. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so we just checked out. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we checked out of the hotel this morning, and I wanted to give you a little bit more information about that. It's the Super 8 by Wyndham Sevierville Riverside that we stayed at. Some people had requested we stay at the more affordable options just to kind of review what they may look like inside. That one was one of the cheapest ones on hotel.com that had a decent review that we were willing to stay at, basically. But it was $207.46. That's tax and everything for one night. So it's not necessarily an affordable thing to stay up here during the summer on a weekend. It was much cheaper looking at rooms through the week, but we both worked through the week, so we couldn't do that. There was an issue with the sink this morning before we checked out. I was running the water, and like underneath the basin was running out onto the counter and down onto the carpet. So there were some issues. I showed you the tub. Wasn't the best room. The beds were comfortable, but squeaky. Like very squeaky. If you moved an inch, it was making noise. So, I mean, it's somewhere that we would stay at again for just a quick trip like this one. But if I was going to stay a week or something like that, I would definitely look elsewhere. No opinions?
I like the view.
David liked the view. Still in Pigeon Forge, and we are at Books A Million. We're going to see if they might have Gabe's magazine in stock. This is adorable. So cute. I think you found it.
Oh boy. Look. 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 There you are. You're in the bookstore. Good copies too.
How many do they have? Right there. That mask is appropriate for me. We are buying out their stock. Oh, this little bag, $79.99. But we are buying out their stock in the Watch Shop magazine. They only had 5 on the shelf, and we're buying them all. The Office fans. The better. Sorry if this offends anyone. May offend some people, but this is the better side. We have a Friends cookbook, Golden Girls cookbook, Outlander kitchen, recipes from the world of Tolkien, Marvel. But this is the part I'm talking about.
See?
Friends everything. We've been home for over a week now, almost 2, and I just realized today that we never did an outro. So we hope you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of our upcoming videos. And until next time, live the life you love.